Hi guys, it's Kelly again, which I need a new opening line. My husband says that's getting old. It's me, Kelly. I have something that you guys have all been waiting for. If you are my Facebook fan page liker, you would have already seen this. It is the Fetal Doppler giveaway. Yay! I'm very excited to show you guys this. I've never used a fetal Doppler before. I mean, my mom used to bring them home when I was pregnant with my daughter, and then she brought one home once during my pregnancy with my son, just to try out and see at home in the comfort of our couch and stuff, and just out of curiosity. But I never really considered buying one. I guess it's a huge deal right now to buy one, and I don't blame people for doing it because I'm paranoid just like the next woman. But I never really considered doing it. I always had resources to go hear my baby's heartbeat or see them. But now that I have tried one, I really like it and I'm obsessed. I think I've listened to my daughter's heartbeat like every other day, which not for a long time by any means, but just for a few seconds because that's all it takes. But I'm here to share with you the Midiana F10 Doppler. This has been supplied to me by fetalharmony.com. I found them online because a lot of you were asking me where a good place to find a fetal, like a affordable fetal Doppler would be. And because I wasn't familiar with purchasing them, I didn't have anything to tell you guys. So I did my own research and I came across Fetal Harmony, and I really liked them off the bat just because their website looked really nice. All of their prices were really affordable, and they had Dopplers that ranged from really low to really high. So there was something there for everybody, which I really appreciated. They have a lot of name brand Dopplers there and medical grade Dopplers, so you know, you feel comfortable purchasing these things. I also really appreciate the fact that they do ship to Canada, the US, and Mexico, which when I was thinking about a company to introduce you guys to, I really wanted to find a place that most of you could take advantage of, not just, you know, US residents only like some of these things have been. So Fetal Harmony is really great. It was started by a husband and wife who had just had their first child, and they knew, you know, how nice it was to hear their baby's heartbeat, so they wanted to be able to supply that to other parents as well. So I got in contact with the owner. He was very, very generous and really quickly willing to send me my own Doppler to try out, and also he's offering a giveaway to you guys. Well, he and his wife, sorry, I don't want to leave her out, she's important too. But they're offering a giveaway of the same exact Doppler, well, not this exact Doppler, but your own brand new Doppler like this for free. It's over like $140 something value. It's really, I mean, I can't believe that they're being that gracious to do this for you guys. So let me go over this real quick. This is really going to be quickly done because I have a full review on my website at www.babybellykelli.com. Go there. I'm not going to go over any of these rules on this video because it's just too much, and you can just go read it there, and that way you can see exactly what the rules are to enter the giveaway. The giveaway will be from today, August 2nd to August 16th, and I will pick a winner and announce it on my Facebook fan page on the 17th. So head on over to my website, check out the full review and pictures and all the product specs of this Doppler. And yeah, but I'm going to really quickly show you what comes in your Doppler kit and also how it works. So it comes in this nice little box, which I don't know, I can't say what his shipping times are because I got this really quickly, but I don't know if it's because I was reviewing it or if that's the normal. But if it is the normal, then I got this really fast. But as you can see, it just has all of the things in there. Cute little baby on the front. And then once you open it up, you get a nice little carrying pouch, which I really like that they actually send you a pouch with it. And I think all of them come with pouches, I could be wrong. But the Midiana does, and it comes with a nice little carrying pouch and strap. You open it up, get a nice little booklet with all of the directions on it, which you want to hang on to that just in case. And then one thing that I really appreciated about this company, which when I looked at other websites didn't offer this, but they offer you, well, they send with that ultrasound transmission gel, so you don't have to use like aloe or anything like that, and also 2 batteries for your Doppler. So once you get it in the mail, nobody wants to wait. I have no patience for that, so I was really happy that I could just shove the batteries in, get the gel, and just use it right when I got it. But this is what it looks like. And there's not a lot of bells and whistles on it because you don't need a lot of bells and whistles. But it is a very sturdy. I actually asked my mom to take a look at it. She's a nurse practitioner, OB/GYN, just to see if it, you know, what her opinion on it was, because she uses them every day at work, and she said it's a very nice Doppler. So there you go. Like I said, I think it's like $150 is the price range on it, but right now it's on sale for $100 on their website. Again, they have very affordable prices, and right now I believe they have like 20 to 40% off of all their Dopplers. So head on over there even if you don't win this giveaway. But it comes with a waterproof probe. What do we call this, a probe? Transmitter receiver. Yeah, comes with that. And I don't really, yeah, I guess, again, go to my weblog, but I will show you how this works right now because I think it's just really cool, very simple to use. And yeah, and it feels sturdy. It doesn't feel flimsy like some things do. But as you can see, it is digital, would you call that digital? Digital? I'm sorry, I'm not good at this, am I? It's got a digital reading on the front and then a little heart tone, and that shows you your battery charge, how much you have left. And it's, again, very simple to use. I will show you. I used this for the first time when I was 24 weeks. Right now I should be around 27 weeks, almost in my 3rd trimester if I'm not already. And I will say that 2 days after I got, or before I got this, I went to my doctor's office and for my OB appointment, and my doctor had a really hard time finding my baby's heartbeat, even though I'm so far along. And usually we would have been a little bit concerned, but I feel her all the time. She's constantly moving. And he couldn't find her because her back was facing forward, and I have a fibroid tumor that was also probably in the way. So I wasn't really expecting much in terms of being able to find her myself very quickly, but I found her within seconds. So that's a plus for this, I guess. But don't tell my doctor that. I don't want him to be insulted that I found her heartbeat first. But anyways, all right, so you put the transmission gel on here. Don't need a lot. And I hear, again, you can use aloe or any other type of gel type thing. And then you turn it on. Okay. Pardon my big belly and my pants that are unbuttoned. And then usually you probably want to do this laying down, but I'm sitting, and I've already done it standing, so obviously I can do it too. And I found her first try, so she doesn't like me putting a lot of pressure on her. But she's at 143 beats per minute, so that's pretty cool. My husband's behind the camera right now cheesing. We get real. Oh, she just moved. She's mad. Can you hear her moving? I don't know if you can hear her moving. Ah, she's kicking. She moved. But there you go. You got to hear her for a few minutes. It's so much fun now. She's really mad at me. I can feel her. But it's really cool to be able to use this. I really like this. I mean, obviously, I wish I would have had it a little bit sooner in my pregnancy, but I really, really, really like this. And I'm not a medical professional, so please don't take anything, that I say like this, but if you have any concerns, please don't use this fetal monitor as your doctor. If you have any concerns and stuff, or you don't feel your baby move, or you are fearing because you can't find a heartbeat or anything like that, please call your doctor, okay? Because it's just like, even though we have all these things at our fingertips right now, like, it's still a machine, so call your doctor if you have any concerns about anything ever. But yes, so I really, really like this. Very, very great. Thank you to Matt, and my shirt is still up. Let's put that back down. I feel uncomfortable. Thank you to Matt and Bonnie at fetalharmony.com for sending me this. I love it. I'm very excited to be able to have this for the rest of my last pregnancy. It's like the cherry on top, kind of. So thank you. And again, they are giving one of these away to one of you lucky ladies. In terms of who can enter this giveaway, I would say only pregnant women, but I feel like TTCers deserve to enter just as much. I mean, you'll probably find, people are finding out they're pregnant. I've been getting notifications of new BFPs every day. So I'm going to open this up to TTCers and pregnant women only, please. Be honest, because I hate dishonesty. And then I'll stop doing these giveaways if I get a lot of people who are being dishonest. So again, go over to my website, www.babybellykelli.com. Oh, also, I should say before people get their hopes up, this is only restricted to US and Canadian residents only. So, sorry everybody else. But again, go to my website. I'll leave the links. If you're on my channel page, they should be over here. And then if you're not on my channel page, I'll leave them and link them underneath here. But thanks for everything, for continuing to watch. I have a lot of great giveaways open right now, which is a little bit ridiculous, but make sure to enter those too. And yeah, go check out fetalharmony.com. Seriously, there's a great selection there. They have great sale prices going on right now, and the couple who runs it is just, they're the sweetest. He sent me pictures, and it's a beautiful family. You have a beautiful family. So thanks a lot, and I will talk to you guys for my next review or on my Tuesday pregnancy update. We will see. Bye.